Hello, welcome to Timmy Up with Fab Eats. In this video, I want to show you how to make delicious Jamaican jerk chicken. Very yummy indeed. All right, so first off, we need to clean our chicken very well. So here I'm using lime. Lime really cleans out your chicken very well. It cleans out all the dirt, all the grit, everything. It makes it very clean. I'm telling you, like crispy clean. That's how lime cleans your chicken. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making sure I'm scrubbing very well with the lime to make sure I get out all the dirt, everything out. And it works very well. Yeah, so take your time to make sure your chicken is very clean, and that is what I'm doing right now. Then after you do that, it's time to rinse your chicken with water, with lots and lots of water. Make sure you really rinse very well. Now it's time to season the chicken. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil to the chicken. You can use olive oil, you can use regular vegetable oil. It depends on what you prefer. And then I'm adding some turmeric powder. And then I'm adding the Jamaican Jerk seasoning. This is the main seasoning in this recipe. So you have to make sure you add very generous amounts of the Jamaican Jerk seasoning. I'm using a dry Jamaican Jerk seasoning powder. And then add some cayenne pepper because I like a little kick to my recipes, to my food. And then ginger powder. Onion powder as well. And there I'm adding some black pepper. And then I'm adding thyme powder. And some beef bouillon powder, or you can use chicken bouillon powder, whichever you prefer. And then some salt. Now it's time to mix it all in together. Mix all the seasoning and the spices all in together with the chicken. Make sure you really mix very well. You want to get all those seasonings and all the spices into the chicken, and that's what's going to make it so delicious. I like to use my hands because my hands really works in the spices and the seasonings, just to make sure it gets it in really well. Now you can leave it to marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour or even overnight. And then what you need to do is just to get a baking tray, line up your chicken on the baking tray, and then make sure you preheat your oven to about 400 degrees and bake for at least 30 to 40 minutes. And then there you have it. It is ready and it's good to go. And you can enjoy your Jamaican jerk chicken. It is very, very yummy. It's one of my favorite recipes to make. Thank you for watching.